Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how you can insert multiple pictures in MS Word and how to create a Microsoft Word resume quickly and easily. Let's get started. Open your Word document and go to Insert, then Pictures. Choose this device if your images are on your computer. Select multiple photos by holding Control while clicking each one, then click Insert. Word will place all your pictures and you can resize, move, or align them using the handles and layout options. Easy. Now let's make a simple Microsoft Word resume. Start with a blank page or go to File, then New and search Resume. Use bullet points to list jobs and skills. You can also insert a photo using the same method we just did if you want a profile picture. Keep it clean and summarized, and you're done. And that's it. You now know how you insert multiple pictures in MS Word and how to build a basic Microsoft Word resume. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.